Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix battery drain issues on Motorola Moto G7 Power. First, go into Settings. Find Battery Settings, where you can check battery usage. There's also Battery Saver, but I'll keep it disabled because it enables features I want to show you manually. Then go into Display and lower brightness or use adaptive brightness. Track. I recommend keeping dark theme on to save battery. Then set Screen Timeout to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top and disable features you're not using like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Also close all background apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and